What's up, world? I got some dinosaurs on my land, and the male is not sharing with the female. It's just not right, so we're gonna hook her up. She's probably a mama. She's probably worried about her babies. So we're gonna bless her. Oh man, she just swam off. Big Daddy's over there eating his catfish he caught for dinner. Mama Bear was over here just kicking it with me, talking to me and stuff. If she'd come back, give her a... Oh, there she is. Maybe he's gonna share some of his catfish with her. Oh, he is. Oh, she took it from him. OMG, she took his catfish. She took his catfish. I'm gonna throw a worm over there, see if I can get in the mix. Yeah. I didn't see my worm. She's totally jacked his catfish, bro. This is some incredible footage. You're a good boy, man. You're sharing your catfish with your lady. That's gangster, bro. That's gangster. My brother caught himself a big old catfish. His lady's over here eating it. She's over here shredding it, bud.
She's over here shredding it?
She's over here shredding this catfish. Look at her.